Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to this tutorial. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to import and export blog posts between two different WordPress websites. And this means that you can import blog posts just like this into another website that is totally different from where you exported them from. And that means that it will enable you to have a number of blog posts published on another website without having necessarily to rewrite them or just copy and paste. Let's dive straight in. To be able to export blog posts from one blog to another, you must be logged into the other WordPress website where you have to export the blog posts. You basically just come to Tools, go to Export, and once you are on the Export page, then you come and select Posts, select the categories that you want to export. I'll only export the how-tos, and then select the authors. In case you have different authors and you want to only export for a specific author, then you do that. So I'll just say all authors, and then I can also specify the date. So in this case, I'll select all of them, and I can only select the published blog posts. So I'll say published, and then I'll come here and say export file. So when I say export file, I'll download the specific file, which is an XML file, and it will be on my computer. What I just need to do now to go straight and log into the other website and come straight to Tools and say import. But before we do the import option, let me just take you back to the posts, and you see how many posts we have at the moment. At the moment, we have a number of 6 published posts in the website where we are going to import new posts. And if we are to view the blog page of this website where we are going to import the blog posts to, we will see that actually we have only those blog posts which are here. So these are the blog posts on the other blog where we are going to import blog posts. Now we go back straight to this other website where we are going to import blog posts to, and we go straight to Tools, Import, and then here we are going to run something called Run Importer. So I say Run Importer. This basically installs the WordPress import plugin, and once it is finished installing, we say Browse. Once you say Browse, then you are going to basically browse for the downloaded file. Then go to Downloads, then search for the file 080908 and open, and then import. With the import option, it does the hard work for you by bringing over all the files into the other WordPress website with no hassle. So it just takes a moment here as it's importing the other blog posts, and once it's done, then it will just show us here and we can proceed. Once you are on this page, then it's going to indicate the authors that belong to those specific blog posts which have been imported. But in this case, we are going to select the author that is available on the website where we are importing to. So this and this. And then this option is very important to say import the attachment. This will bring all the other attachments. Those include images that are included on the blog posts. Then you say submit. Now the importing process is complete. What we have to do is go to Posts, All Posts, and then you realize that we had before only 6 blog posts, and now they are 49 blog posts in total. So this is a big number. And now if we go to the blog archive page of our website where we have imported blogs to, you realize that this blog will now be replaced. And then we also have a couple of several other blogs that are going to come on our archive page. And that means we can also be in position to open them, read about what is right there. Now, one thing you realize, I don't know if it's specifically for some things, but I realized that the featured images when you import don't come with the blog posts, only the featured images. But when you open up let me say, like if you open up one blog post, the internal media, the internal images, they will be available in that blog post, just like this. So guys, that's how you can export and import blog posts between two different WordPress websites. I hope this brought you value. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Peace.